Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember guys, this is for adults. What's up you guys, it's ZacJacDan back with another Every Marvel Legends video. This time we're talking about Every Black Cat Marvel Legends. So guys, the first time we saw Black Cat was in the Toybiz days. This was in the Marvel Legends Sinister 6. Next in Toybiz Marvel Legends Infinite series, you have the Amazing Spider-Man Ultimate Green Goblin wave. And in this wave, you could either get the Anya or the Black Cat as one of the Skyline Sirens to get that torso piece for Ultimate Green Goblin. The next one we get is the newer Kingpin Build-A-Figure wave. And this was the villainous Black Cat, kind of a crime lord. Got that whip that's like wrapped around her waist there. And then the newest one we have is the new vintage fan channel exclusive Black Cat with the choker on her neck. And she comes with this little black cat. It's a repaint of Goose the cat. So here's all of the black cats, all 4 of them loose. And here they all are in package. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any kind of comments, hit that notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up and I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. You can find all the photos that you want of these videos.